Hi Yummies, I'm Christine.
And I'm Georgia.
And today we're here for another episode of
Is it yummy?
And we're going to use Skippy Creamy Peanut Butter. So ayan, matchy-matchy kami ni Georgia. Skippy, baka naman.
Hindi ko alam saan banda. Pero okay, so just like episode 1, we're going to try the peanut butter with 5 different dishes. And we're going to, figure out, is it yummy or not?
And for level 1, we're going to start with our default food, which is eggs. Which are eggs? Which is eggs?
Basta eggs. Mahilig kami sa itlog. Labas mo na yung itlog. Ayan, okay.
Perfectly cooked.
Jiggly-jiggly pa.
Just how I like it. Yung
Yes.
sunog-sunog dito sa gilid, but malasado sa gitna.
Gusto ko yung spoon.
Ay, ang okay.
Palit tayo. Okay, let's go. Nasaan na yung peanut butter?
Ito siya.
Sa last episode, tinanong ko sa'yo kung naglalagay ka ng ketchup sa eggs in the morning. So like, naglalagay ka ba ng peanut butter sa eggs?
Ay, of course not. Like for eggs, I only use ketchup and pwede din yung barbecue sauce. Yung libre na barbecue sauce from Chicken Nugget.
May stock ka ng chicken nugget sauce nung restaurant na yon sa bahay.
No. Pag bumili ka ng Pure Foods, tapos may libreng barbecue sauce sa loob.
Ah, okay. Okay. Akala ko naman, McDo. Sinabi ko rin.
Okay, can I just say, I don't like it.
Is it yummy?
It's not yummy for me. Pero pwedeng itry ko dun sa malasado part.
Okay lang. Like,
Just for science.
it's really weird.
It's weird kasi
But I don't hate it.
it doesn't work.
But it doesn't work.
Next.
Okay. Move on na. Mabilis tayo mag-move on today. And now we're ready to try level 2. Cheese! Ano sa tingin mo? Sa tingin mo ba masarap yan?
Hindi.
Ay, grabe. Agad-agad, not yummy.
Sorry kasi ang peanut butter for me is just for bread.
So ano to? This is cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
And then, Havarti. And then ito, sliced cheese. But I'm gonna start off with cheddar. Is it yummy?
I can say.
It is yummy. I like it. I really like it. Kasi it's salty and then the peanut butter is sweet. So it works for me.
Ba't hindi na kasi parang puro cheese yung nalalasahan ko?
Oh, dinudala mo ng peanut butter.
Yeah. Still a no for me. Second bite, still a no for me.
Try it with the Havarti.
What's Havarti?
It's a type of cheese.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I can't explain it. I'm not a cheese expert. I'm not gonna pretend. Direct palagay ng ganon dito. What is Havarti? That's your job.
It's kind of good with this one. But
Mas mellow siya. This is creamier, which matches the creaminess of the peanut butter. So it works.
I like that it's so fluffy.
So is it yummy for you? This is yummier, I think, than the... Ito na. Ito kailangan mo mag-effort ng konti, Christine.
The destroyer ako. Alam mo naman masisira ako to. Pero mukhang hindi.
May plano ako. Isa-sandwich ko. Dito,
okay.
ganyan. Kasi,
It's
paano...
like a cocktail food.
Paano ko isasaw-saw, di ba? Ito, kung budget cocktail, kulang na lang wine.
Na-destroy ko siya.
Sana pala binigay ko na lang yung half ko sa'yo. Kaya alam na lamutak ko na siya eh.
Lamutak is the word for the day.
Lamutak. Ito. Sandwich yarn.
Did I just say, may mga words na akala ko dati kapampangan sila. Like lamutak, I thought it.
Ano ibig sabihin niya sa Kapampangan?
Well, kung anong ibig sabihin niya sa Tagalog, akala ko lang kapampangan sa Tagalog.
So inaangkin mo lang.
Yeah.
Okay lang.
Masarap.
I like, in general, I like peanut butter with cheese. Like, I like this whole plate. But it goes the best with the Havarti. Kung ano.
And for level 3, we have... Oh my God. I don't eat singkamas.
I don't
What
like
else
carrots.
is-
We started off so well. Dinamihan ko yung peanut butter kasi gusto ko marami. I hate carrots, so I'm gonna start with...
Okay, then I'm gonna... It actually works with singkamas because matubig sa singkamas. Kanina kasi lahat ng sinama ko sa peanut butter dry.
Yan,
So,
wet.
nagustuhan ko lang siya with Havarti because Havarti is like fluffy and the texture is good. This one, dahil medyo may tubig siya sa loob, I like it.
Okay, so it is yummy. But I just don't like carrots.
Yeah, it's yummy with carrots. And singkamas, so far.
Cauliflower
Wala kang
yata.
tidbit today. Ano ba
Meron
naman
akong
yan?
tidbit. Meron akong tidbit.
go, go,
Okay,
go,
okay,
go.
okay. Mahilig ka ba sa mani? Hindi. Hindi ko mahilig sa mani.
Hindi.
Okay, ilang pieces of peanut yung kailangan mo para makabuo ng 1.5 cups of peanut butter.
Makikita ko ba yan dito sa ano?
Try mo.
Sa
Baka
body
pwedeng,
ng Skippy.
kunin mo na lang kasi girl, kasi sasasaw ako.
Ay, sorry.
Okay. Umula ka.
25.
Higher.
33.
Higher.
50.
540. 40 ba?
540 peanuts just for isang kutsara?
1 cup, 1.5
1
cups.
cup, 1 cup. Hindi ako nakikinig.
Mahirap naman ito, Kirsten. Kasi dalawa lang tayo, tapos di pa tayo makikinig. Alright, now we're at level 4. Ready ka na ba?
Go.
So far kasi okay sa akin lahat eh. So,
Favorite ko yung danggit, guys. It could be danggit or tiyo or dilis. I'm game.
okay. Eh bakit parang nalungkot ka?
Ano
Sabi mo,
yun?
"Aw."
Happy yan.
Ay, happy.
Alam mo yung bagong emoji? Ipakita mo yan, Gino. Yung bagong emoji na
Ayan.
yung parang sad eyes siya. Tapos
Ay, yung
may tears of joy. Oh, di ba?
Okay, sige.
ganyan.
O, pinging ano. Let's go, let's do this. Gusto ko yung maliit para crunchy. Is it yummy?
Ito yan.
Bakit, alam mo, in-expect ko tong episode na to, medyo mas tagilid siya than the ketchup.
Yeah.
Pero parang mas marami tayong yummy now than the ketchup. If you haven't watched our ketchup episode, check it out.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ilalagay.
Well, halata naman na yummy siya for us kasi dire-diretso na tayo kumakain.
Pinapapak
Pwede
na.
next level na tayo.
Oo, but
Bago natin
before that,
maubos.
seryoso guys, try it. And if you have any suggestions on what else we should try, put it down in the comments.
Yeah. And if you do try it and naisipan mo mag-video, don't forget to tag at YummyPH.
Yes.
Now we're down to our last level, Yummy. So, ready na ba kayo? Ready ka na, Georgia?
Ready na ako. Parang bilis natin today.
Ang bilis natin kumain eh. Gutom, girl.
Medj.
Okay, it is... Ay! Okay.
Burger. So, meron tayong with buns, meron tayong without.
Yeah.
May ano ba siya?
So, anong gusto mong i-start natin? I think with buns. Kasi kanina pa ako naghahanap ng bread
Oh,
for
ayan.
peanut butter.
Ito lang. Dito mo lang
Oo.
ilalagay.
Yes. Yan ah. No cheating.
Sa half ko lang muna ilalagay.
Kasi,
Wala lang.
scared
Parang,
ka.
hindi naman.
Can I try it with more peanut butter?
More?
Yeah. Because right now, parang ang dry niya. Hindi ko alam or baka dry talaga siya. I'm just gonna add.
Ayoko niya siya lulukin. Talungan mo ako.
It's super dry nga. Is it yummy?
No, it's not yummy.
Aww, iyak ka na, Georgia.
Bisa ba ka? Sorry, no.
Yeah,
Buti
I
ka
should know.
nila.
I should know. Kahit tinagdagan ko.
May paano si
yan.
Direk.
May pa-plot twist si Derek. So, this one is...
It's a peanut sauce. So, this is actually a peanut sauce from yummy.ph. You can check it out. Surprise! Gusto lalabas. Baka nga sa comments na eh. Pero yeah, so...
What are we going to do? Are we going to like... What is it?
we got this
Or we're going
actually...
to sauce out the burger?
Ikaw, anong trip mo?
Ano na lang?
Oh, sige. Pwede magsalita muna ako.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, so kasi, hindi naman bago yung concept ng peanut butter burger. So kapag nag-search ka ng peanut butter burger, you'll probably find one, you know, somewhere in the metro. So this sauce could make it better kasi it's, you know, more liquid than just pure peanut butter.
It
Diba?
used to be so dry. I didn't like it with cheese.
And now it's so wet.
Let me try it without the cheese.
Teka. I'm gonna put it in my burger. So it's not just peanut butter. So this one has coconut milk. It has garlic, ginger, and we used chunky peanut butter.
That's why. Nalasahan
For
ko
this
nga yung
one.
coconut milk.
Oo. So, you know, Skippy. Pikin naman. Ayan. So, teka, titikman ko na. I have higher hopes for this.
It's still a no for me.
Christine, for me, it's yummy. With the sauce.
I love the peanut sauce alone. Now, let's try it naman, parang a la burger steak.
But instead of gravy, it's peanut butter sauce.
Actually, the
Okay, here's your fork.
feeling ko I'm in the streets of Singapore eating yung mga $2 na satay na...
Wow.
Yeah, I swear.
That's high praise, huh?
Yeah, I love it.
Kasi the peanut sauce is, yun nga, you taste the coconut, but it's more savory. It's not just like pure peanut butter na sweet. So, mas bumabagay siya. Kumbaga parang, it meets the savory to savory. Alam mo yan, it means may compromise. Parang relationship. O diba, dapat masarap. Dapat may compromise.
Guys, ano to? This is something na I would make ulam.
Alright, that's it. We've tried peanut butter with 5 different dishes. And actually, I'm very surprised kasi akala ko mas hindi siya swak, but I really liked a lot. Yung pinakaayaw ko lang talaga is the carrots. Ikaw?
Well, I can only name 3 na nagustuhan ko dito. Havarti, singkamas, and the burger steak.
Alright. So if you guys have any more weird food combinations that you'd like us to try, please comment down below. Para naman next episode, matry namin yung suggestion nyo.
Bye, yummies!
See you next time!